Welcome today in front of me SONY XPERIA 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to make a screenshot without buttons on this device. So for example, we'll go in here to the Play Store and for example we want to make a screenshot from this screen or this one. Now just to make a screen, tap here on the App Switcher button, and here you will see the screenshot icon. Just tap there on the icon, and as can you see, you can share with this screenshot, you can edit this screen. Just to edit them, tap on the screen, and here you can see how you can just change the screen. For example, you can crop them, or you can adjust the contrast and more another function. And now you can also cancel the changes, or you can save the copy. As can you see, that's saved, and then you can find the screen here on the Photos app, and here go to the library, and right there you can find the screen in the screenshots folder. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.